taking off like a Boeing. If the volume spikes, then it's time to trade. Mighty 90 setting up, it's time to get paid. Dr. Chad on the mic, time to get focused. We don't need any indicator, hocus pocus. It's all about the price, just watch it move. Manage your risks so you don't lose. First hour of trading is all we need. Focus on the patience and forget about greed.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Welcome to the morning live stream. We have a little mixed bag. Dow futures down 57, NASDAQ futures up 25. S&P futures just up a point, pretty flat. Baidu up 2 2.2, Baba up 2%. PayPal down 8%. I believe they had earnings before the market opened. PLTR up 22% after earnings yesterday. Got AMD and Google earnings today after the bell. VIX down a little bit, but sitting at 18.09. Morning, Ken. Morning, Faz. Morning, JG. And there is the bell. NASDAQ up 31, S&P down 1.5 points, just touching the red. Got some stocks pushing up here, some coming down. MSTR with a big push up. It's an 8-point push up. SPX went green. So getting a mixture of green and some red bars. Wow, what a push up by MSTR. All right, getting our second bar here now. So we'll see if we got any volume runners looking for a volume bar as big as the first or bigger and in the same direction. NVIDIA pushing up. MSTR pulling back a little bit. I'm going to watch MSTR to see if it wants to give me a little bit of a quick pullback and then get long. It's come down to yesterday's close. And it's see if it bounces off that. I'm going to take a quick flyer and upside continuation in MSTR. On the 350 calls. Filled at 1275. Only did a couple contracts. So if it goes down much past yesterday's close, I'll just exit. Just trying to capitalize on that big push up. And I would close half at $14. Only did a couple contracts. So big, and it's still early. Build at $14. So out of half. Netflix pushing through highs. Not seeing any volume runners. Ooh, Netflix does have a volume runner. Let's see if Netflix pulls back any. I see Netflix pull back to this pivot at least. See Netflix, I would trade the 1005 calls. Build a 970. Tesla with a big push up. I would close half my Netflix at 1075. Build it 1075 in Netflix. Need MSTR to push up through highs of day. Just one contract left there. Close another Netflix at 1175. Tesla ripping. Yeah, it's funny you say that, Ken. I was just thinking the exact same thing as I was getting into Netflix. Building Netflix at 1180. I got one Netflix left. Yeah, I should probably check and see what the old economic calendar says today. Yeah, job openings at 9 at 10 a.m., 9 a.m. Central. We're following through an MSTR yet. Netflix with another big volume bar. Let's see how high I want to run this last contract. PLTR, new all time highs after earnings. Meta staying weak, coming down. Come on, MSTR. Get going. I'm going to go ahead and close my last Netflix here as it's hit all time highs. Might have a little pullback coming. Filled at 1310 to close Netflix. So quick profits there. I also kind of want to be out of it before the jolts. Meta with a little mighty 90 long. I mean, it's not the best volume pop, but it's technically a mighty 90 long. It's pretty weak today. S&P pretty choppy. Might be waiting for that jobs report. Nvidia kind of setting up like an upside continuation runner. Push up, pausing. So I've got one contract of MSTR, and that's it on right now. So I really have to decide, do I really want to get in something for this JOLTS report? I've been on the wrong side of those the last couple times. But honestly, Meta's mighty 90 with that push down looks Looks better than anything else, I think. Might get in meta here with just a couple contracts on this mighty 90 long. 695 calls. Filled at 945. So just did two contracts. Ooh, MSTR coming down. Don't like that. All right, closing MSTR. Filled it. Oop, 13. Filled at 13. It just popped up, but I'm out. No, that's okay. Like I said, I only did two contracts in it anyway. But yeah, look at that reversal in MSTR right when I got out. Big push up in PLTR. I would get out of half my meta at 10:45. Well, meta pushed up originally, but now it's coming back down. I was real close to getting filled on half. Well, no push up in meta yet. MSTR is just chopping, so pretty good out there, really. I was trying for some quick profits. Nvidia, I was looking at getting long Nvidia, but didn't. Darn it. NASDAQ up 138. I dipped my toe back in Netflix on this pullback. Meta trying to give us one green bar now. Build 1045 in Meta. Close my Meta at when I get a second green bar. Nice, nice up in Nvidia there. It's kind of getting a mighty 90 short now. S&P pushed up through highs of day. So I've got one contract of Meta. So I only did two. 5 minutes till the jolts. A wise man would just say, well, let's just wait 5 minutes and see what price does instead of entering something new right now. A gambler would enter something and hope they get up on that they're in on the right side of the results after the report comes out. Nvidia pushing up, man. I was gonna get long Nvidia. This little push up in Meta here. So I'm gonna set a profit target at 1150. If I hit it, I hit it. I'm out after two green bars anyway. Fact, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and close. I mean, this is the second consecutive green bar anyway. Build at 1140 to close. So nice mighty 90 there. And I'm in nothing. So don't have to worry about anything going against me here. Tesla pushing up. Things looking strong. So let's see how this job reports does. Meta's going to get a little mighty 90 short now. All rules are kind of off when you get some type of data or numbers that come out. No, there's a push up by the S&P. Ho! Nice little 7-point rip up. Looks like you can get about an 80 wide iron condor right now. So hopefully price can consolidate. Amazon with a pretty nice rip up. S&P's been in about a 25-point range since the open. Apple's kind of hitting this line right here. It pushes through there. I might get long. Did have a mighty 90 short. Next down to 17.43. Big push up in AMD. Earnings after the bell. Amazon pushing up. Nvidia pushing up. Big push up in the S&P. MSTR with a little mighty 90 long, but man, that price, that stock has not done anything since that initial push up. And no turning back for Amazon. It's just straight up. straight up. S&P up 26. NASDAQ up 215. No red bars at all for NVIDIA. Netflix hit all-time highs, then came down, trading under, not really moving. Tesla pulling back. Amazon and NVIDIA pushing. Getting a little upside continuation in Tesla here. On the 390 calls. Build at 810. All right, let's see if Tesla can push back up. If it goes down much past this little consolidation here, I'll just exit it for a small loss. I mean, it's got to pull back at some point. And we get out of half my Tesla at 890. S&P straight up. Boy, Apple pushed up. Did it ever? Amazon with a little bit of a pullback here. No push up yet in Tesla. No, I really don't. That's not really a mighty 90. I know it, this bar is bigger than the previous, but you want to see volume separation. You also want to see price pushing up, not coming down. Like Apple, look at the difference between Apple and Nvidia. And even Apple's okay. I'd say it's okay. It's not the best. Same thing with Meta. It's okay. This was okay. This one worked out. This one has not yet. But it can't be just a couple ticks bigger. All right, Tesla came back down, so if it doesn't bounce, I'm going to cut it. Nvidia coming back down. I'm going to go ahead and close my Tesla. Go to 770. So kind of sticking with my theme of, if it doesn't go my way, just cut it and move on. Try to keep losses small. Let's see what else. Anything else I want to dip my toes in? Well, I think I'm just going to take my nice green day and move on to TLC trading. So hopefully we can get some good consolidation here. All right, guys, you have a great day. I will see you during Power Hour. Peace.